Heal nerve damage naturally. Top 12 remedies for tingling, numbness and nerve pain. When a nerve in your body gets damaged, it short-circuits and stops working properly. This can cause strange sensations like tingling, trickling, or nerve pain. Damaged nerves can also reduce your brain's control over your limbs and organs, affecting movement and daily activities. One major cause of nerve damage is diabetes. High blood sugar levels can harm nerves over time, leading to numbness and pain. Injuries, like those from car accidents, can also cause nerve damage. Some people experience sensations of burning, tingling, or numbness in the feet, toes, and hands. On this channel, we focus on natural health solutions to help you live your best, most vibrant life. Unlocking the power of natural cures for nerve damage. Let's discover what makes these natural remedies so special, along with tips for maximizing their uses to heal nerve damage fast. Before we dive in, kindly note that all information you'll find in this video has been fact-checked, unbiased, and reviewed by qualified professionals.
If you're dealing with nerve damage, whether it's due to diabetes, autoimmune disease, or injury from an accident, we know how challenging nerve pain can be. Let's start our countdown with the number 12 natural remedy, curcumin. Curcumin is a component of the spice turmeric that can help your muscles regain function and increase blood flow throughout your body. Curcumin works by reducing inflammation in your nerves and promoting the regeneration of nerve cells. Studies have shown that curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. So, whether you're suffering from diabetes or an injury, eating curcumin can help treat your nerve pain and even help repair your damaged nerves over time.
Coming in at number 11, St. John's wort. Studies suggest that St. John's wort is good for nerve cell metabolism. It can calm your nervous system and reduce the severity of nerve pain. St. John's wort is really good for nerve pain, neuralgia, anxiety, and tension. You can consume it as a supplement or in tea form, or apply the oil twice a day to the affected area. Sciatica and nephropathy can cause pain, tingling, and numbness. Commonly known for its antidepressant effects, St. John's wort can help muscles relax and decrease tingling and numbness, making it a valuable herb for treating conditions like sciatica and neuropathy.
At number 10, we have Ginkgo biloba. This less-known herb had been used in ancient times for boosting memory, but did you know it also helped repair nerve damage? Ginkgo biloba is an herb that can improve blood flow to the nerve cells, which is important for nerve repair. It also protects against oxidative stress, which can further damage your nerves. For best results, consider taking Ginkgo biloba supplements daily, but remember, patience is key. A natural healing of nerve damage takes time.
Let's look at the benefits of Passionflower, our charming number 9 choice. This herb helps support and heal damaged nerves. It increases GABA levels in the brain, which keeps our nervous system balanced. If
nerve pain caused by nerve damage can cause trouble sleeping. For those with trouble sleeping, this herb is great as a tea, especially in the evening. Passionflower can help relax your nerves. Passionflower can calm the nervous system and reduce pain signals. It is a calming herb, which means it reduces stress and anxiety in the body. It has also been shown to reduce nerve pain and help regenerate damaged nerves. Next up, at number 8, is cayenne pepper. Yes, that's right. Research has shown that cayenne pepper can improve the function of nerves damaged by a stroke or peripheral neuropathy. Nerve cell injury occurs when nerve cells are damaged due to factors that reduce blood flow to nerves, such as stroke, peripheral neuropathy, or atherosclerosis. Cayenne peppers are rich in capsaicin, a compound known for its pain-relieving properties. Capsaicin lowers, transmitting pain signals to the brain. By doing this, cayenne pepper can help lower nerve pain while encouraging nerve repair. So if you are suffering from any kind of nerve cell damage, you must try cayenne pepper to help you to recover and avoid prescription medication that often comes with bad side effects. Up next, 7. Let's talk about Skullcap. This amazing herb is a real game changer when it comes to nerve repair. Packed with flavonoids, Skullcap is a super effective inflammation reducer and nerve regenerator. Consider trying it in tincture or as a tea to help calm your nerves and support healing. This herbal drink can help nerve repair without scarring. It's especially great for people dealing with nerve damage from conditions like shingles or neuropathy. At number 6, we have ashwagandha. It is an adaptogen, which means it helps the body manage and reduces stress. Due to its anti-inflammatory effects on the nervous system, taking ashwagandha helps to maintain nerve health and prevent further damage. Research has shown that ashwagandha supports the regeneration of nerve cells, why it is a good herb for supporting nerve damage repair. Take ashwagandha daily. You can find it in capsules or powder form, or you can add it to your daily smoothie for a nerve-boosting start to your day. If you found this video helpful so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when we upload our next video. Magnesium is the next natural remedy for nerve pain and numbness. Magnesium glycinate, or magnesium, is especially effective because it targets overactive nerve signals that cause tingling or pain in the feet. When you eat foods rich in magnesium, you support nerve health. It is the simplest way to help nerve repair and relieve pain, tingling, and numbness. Studies suggest that magnesium is crucial in calming overexcited nerves, and taking it can relieve muscle soreness. Magnesium tablets can be a convenient way to include extra magnesium in your diet. The EU recommends that adults require 375 milligrams of magnesium per day. Here are some of the best natural sources of magnesium to consume. Spinach. Perfect for salads or smoothies. Avocados, a creamy addition to toast or dips. Almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds make for an ideal healthy snack. Bananas, a delightful and convenient choice for those hectic days. When nerves are damaged, too much calcium floods in, overstimulating them. Magnesium controls this flow, helping to relieve symptoms like nerve pain, twitching, and muscle numbness. Number 4. Heal nerve damage naturally with remedies for tingling, numbness, and nerve pain. Now let's talk about rosemary, a versatile and aromatic herb with a long history in traditional medicine. Rosemary is not just a kitchen staple, it is packed with compounds that can benefit your nerve health. For example, rosemary's natural compound, rosmarinic acid, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Rosemary's essential oils can help improve circulation and offer natural pain relief. Making rosemary tea at home requires only a few ingredients and steps. Here's how you can prepare it. Ingredients. Put 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh rosemary leaves or 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary in a saucepan. Add boiling water. Let it steep for 8 to 10 minutes to make tea. Drink it twice daily. You can add honey or lemon for flavor. A natural remedy for nerve pain, tingling, and numbness is eating healthy fats like omega-3s, essential for repairing damaged nerves and reducing inflammation. Eating foods rich in omega-3 can naturally provide remedies for tingling, numbness, and nerve pain. You can try eating fresh salmon, slicing it alongside colorful vegetables and drizzling olive oil over the dish. Wild-caught salmon, sardines, mackerel, or a daily spoonful of cod liver oil are fantastic sources of omega-3 nutrition. These fats rebuild the myelin sheath, the protective coating around your nerves. Finally, you may have overlooked this simple yet most effective remedy for healing nerve pain: proper hydration. Make sure you drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Drink plenty of water every day. Yes, drinking plenty of water can help reduce nerve pain. Try filling a large bottle with water and sprinkling in a pinch of Celtic sea salt. Dehydration can make the body more sensitive to pain. The trace minerals in the salt help your cells absorb water more effectively, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to your nerves. Steer clear of dehydration culprits such as caffeine and alcohol, and you will notice a wonderful difference in how you feel. Water plays a vital role in healing nerve pain and enhancing your overall well-being. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining healthy nerves, so ensure you drink enough daily. But don't stop there. Exploring other natural remedies can take your wellness journey to the next level. Embrace the power of our next video and discover if bay leaf, our next natural cure, works best for you.